In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add business location in Google Map. So let's get started. If you have a business that you want to add to Google Maps, then keep watching the video till the end. First open Google Maps app on your mobile. If prompted, just select the account or enter your email address and password before continuing. Next, at the bottom bar, tap Contribute button with plus icon. Now tap Add Place. Next, you need to fill in the location's information. Just enter the place name, choose category like shopping, services, offices, residential, education, and enter complete address. Once done, tap Edit Map Location and go to the location that you wish to add. Next, tap Add More Details. You may choose details like hours, enter phone number, website and opening date. You can even add photos of the business location using Add Photos option. Once you fill all the details, tap Submit button. This will submit your request to Google. Google team will review the added location and you should receive an email regarding whether or not your submission was accepted within 2 weeks. If any of your submitted information is incorrect, like the place hours or phone number, your submission could be denied. So that is how you can add business location in Google Map. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.